Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Got the coffee. We're going on the second cup today. So I have an PR package from a company on Amazon called Jofay Fashion. It's press-on nails. I don't know if they have other products, but they emailed me about their press-on nails. If I would show a couple on my channel, since some of my channel is nails. I said sure, send me some. So I got sent 2 sets, and I'm not gonna put them on because right now I've been doing a lot of crafting, so I'm gonna work without my nails. Maybe I'll put them on later. I don't know. I've just been doing so good with bald nails. I'm being able to crochet a lot faster. So here is the first one. These are called, I think they're just black nails. I know they had names for all of them, but I don't see the one. Maybe if I go back to my email. Okay, super black solid I ordered. God, you guys. So these are the super black solid nails. I mean, let's open up the package. See what comes inside. So in case you are interested, if you are not a go to the nail salon every 2 to 3 weeks type of gal, and you started doing your nails at home, this is a good substitute. I've done press-on nails before. They just don't last as long for me, so I don't bother putting them on as much, but I really wanted to try them with sticky tabs. So here is a little itty bitty instruction pamphlet, how to use the nail adhesive tabs or how to use glue, some extra notes, and how to take the press-on nails off. It's really, really tiny. You're gonna have to use your glasses. And in this nail kit comes a little mini file, a cuticle pusher, and I'm assuming this is the glue. And let's see. Oh, this is just to let you know if there's any white residue on the bottle. That doesn't mean the glue has gone bad. And I guess these are some cleansing wipes. If you want to cleanse off with some alcohol, I would suggest, if you're going to put on press-on nails, to file them first. Buff them lightly. Don't go crazy. And then use maybe one of these pads and get some alcohol. Or if you have nail primer, whatever you have in your nail set, use that to clean off all the dust and the oil off your nail. So before you put either sticky tabs or glue on, I've heard really good things about using sticky tabs. I have never used sticky tabs before. I am going to be willing to try them because I heard they're just much easier to take off than glue. All you have to do is soak your nails in some warm soapy water. So I don't know, maybe I'll try the sticky tabs, you guys. And these are, they look like they are like buffed on the inside, little roughed up, and they're a nice shiny black on the inside. And of course you get all your sizes in here. And the other color I had ordered is Point Pink, but this looks kind of like an off-white. Maybe they didn't have the pink. It's just this glossy point pink. Square press-on manicure nails. So, I don't know if these are supposed to be a baby pink, but they're very, very white. Even on camera, they're coming off a little bit white. But that's not a problem. I do like white nails. I just thought they were going to be a little bit more pink. And of course, oh, I just ripped the box. In the inside, you get your cleansing wipes, your little nail buffer, cuticle pusher, glue, instruction manual, and sticky tabs. So you get everything in the whole kit, and I think that is just swell. Which means you don't really have to go out buying all these extras. Let me see if I can find a price for you guys. So the black ones were $5.99, and I believe the pink ones were $5.99 or $5.59 too. A lot of them are all like the same length, but they go from prices of $5.59 to about $6.99, anywhere in between. They do have almond shapes. Looks like they have some coffin or ballerina shapes. They have a lot of different shapes to offer. They have different lengths. I don't see the super long nails. Some more medium long length nails, and so definitely lots of shorts. So if you're looking to get some cute shorties, maybe for a holiday, you know, you just want to put them on with the sticky tabs for night and then take them back off. 1, 2, 3, easy, no damage to the nails. I think that's a really good idea. I may probably save one of these for the holidays. So even though I love doing my nails decorated for the holidays, I may just stick one of these on and decorate them with my gems and stuff separately, instead of having to glue on nails with the UV gel glue, because then they're on for like weeks and I don't want them to stay on. But I think these are really, really beautiful sets. I love them. I would consider buying definitely more sets from them. I do have quite a bit of press-on nail collection hidden in my closet waiting to be used. So this is a nice alternative, and it's here on Amazon. So if you have Amazon Prime, you could probably get, you know, what is it, 1 to 2 days shipping on these. Not too bad, you guys. They do also have, let me tell you what's on the website, nail kits. It looks like they have French tip kits. They have kits with stickers, 10 packs of press-ons, comes with files and glue. They have new arrivals, limited time deals. I would definitely check them out, you guys. And then they also, okay, so all the nail lengths they have are long nails, coffin nails, almond nails, and short nails. So definitely check this out, you guys. If you are looking for some press-on nails, a 1, 2, 3 type of deal, just stick them on and take them off when you're ready. I'm gonna definitely give them a try. Maybe I will make a video putting them on and see how they wear. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.